Imagine a pickup truck so intelligent that it predicts your next move before you even touch the wheel. It knows when you're stressed, when you're towing heavy, and silently adjusts everything from suspension to climate to get you exactly what you need. Sounds like a sci-fi movie. Welcome to the jaw-dropping reality of the 2027 GMC Canyon Denali. This isn't just another truck refresh. This is GMC throwing out the old rulebook and creating something that feels 10 years ahead of every other pickup on the road today. If you live for upcoming cars, next-level car upgrades, hybrid cars, and luxury features that actually make driving exciting again, buckle up. This video is about to blow your mind. But here's the early twist that most people still don't see coming. This truck isn't trying to be the biggest or the loudest. Instead, it's becoming the smartest, most refined, and most addictive mid-size pickup ever built. And once you experience what that actually feels like, every other truck suddenly feels painfully outdated. Picture yourself behind the wheel at golden hour. The aggressive new front end slices through the light with razor-sharp LED signatures that look like they belong on a supercar. Bold, sculpted lines, muscular flared fenders, and a commanding stance that turns heads. Whether you're at a construction site or pulling into an upscale restaurant, this truck doesn't ask for attention. It demands it from every angle. Open the door and your jaw drops. You're not stepping into a truck cabin. You're entering a premium lounge on wheels. Supple quilted leather, perfect contrast stitching, and ambient lighting that moves and breathes with you. Shifting colors based on your drive mode, time of day, and even your mood. Every detail feels expensive, intentional, and far beyond what anyone expects in this segment. The dashboard is next level. A sweeping, seamless, panoramic screen stretches across the entire cockpit, delivering information exactly where your eyes want it. Navigation, towing data, terrain response, everything at your fingertips with lightning-fast response. But the real revolution is the AI system inside. This isn't a basic voice assistant. It learns your habits, your routes, your preferences, and starts preparing the truck before you even ask. Want the perfect temperature for your evening commute? Done. Need real-time trail conditions? It's already calculating. Over-the-air updates mean this truck keeps getting better months and years after you buy it, just like your smartphone. Your Canyon literally evolves with you. Now let's talk about what happens when you push the pedal. The powertrain options blend raw torque with smart hybrid assistance. Mash the throttle and you get that instant confidence surge, perfect for towing or highway merging. Switch to hybrid mode and it becomes whisper quiet, efficient, and unbelievably smooth for daily driving. The retuned suspension reads the road in real time, soaking up bumps on rough roads while staying composed and fun on twisty pavement. When was the last time you got out of a pickup after a long drive feeling refreshed instead of beaten up? This truck delivers exactly that experience. Here's the major turning point that changes how you think about pickups forever. This Canyon Denali doesn't just focus on work or weekend fun, it becomes an intelligent extension of your entire life. Pull up to a trailhead and the truck already knows your plans. It suggests optimal tire pressures, pre-cools the cabin for your return, and syncs your route perfectly. Family trip? The rear seats are now genuinely spacious and comfortable, with seamless tech integration that keeps everyone happy. Load the bed for an adventure, and the multifunction tailgate, lighting, and advanced tie-downs make it effortless. The electrification strategy is brilliant too. Hybrid power leads the way, while full electric versions are already in the pipeline. Advanced driver assistance, 360-degree AI cameras, predictive safety systems, and hands-free highway driving make long journeys far less tiring. This is the future of new model launches. Trucks that are more capable, more connected, and more human than ever before. In a market obsessed with going bigger and heavier, the Canyon Denali proves that smarter and more refined is the real winning formula. Lower running costs, massive aftermarket potential for car upgrades, and luxury features that make every drive feel special. Picture this. It's Friday evening. You've just finished a tough week. You climb into your Canyon as the sun sets behind the mountains. Windows down, hybrid power humming smoothly. AI gently optimizing every setting. The cabin feels calm and premium. For the first time, your truck doesn't feel like a tool or a compromise. It feels like a true companion that understands you and elevates every moment on the road. This is what happens when a manufacturer stops following the old truck rules and starts writing new ones. The 2027 GMC Canyon Denali isn't just an upgrade. It's a preview of where the entire pickup world is heading. More intelligent, more luxurious, and genuinely exciting to own. If this kind of honest, detailed breakdown is what you love, smash that like button. Drop a comment and tell me, would you choose the hybrid version or wait for the full electric? What feature surprised you the most? Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the future of driving. Until then, keep chasing that perfect drive. See you on the road!